In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Figma. We'll take a simple, reliable approach that works with Figma's built-in linking tools. Start by opening your design so you are inside the file and on the frame where you want the clickable image to live. Make sure you can see enough of the canvas to position elements comfortably. A quick zoom in or out can help you stay precise. Next, add your image to the canvas. You can place it wherever it makes sense in your layout. Then adjust it to fit your design. Use the corner handles to resize, and hold Shift while dragging if you want to keep the proportions locked. Take a moment to align it neatly with nearby elements, so the final result feels intentional and clean. Now add a text box and type anything. This little text layer is going to carry the hyperlink for you. It doesn't need to be long, even a short word will do. Select the text and press Ctrl+K to create a link. If you are on a Mac, use Command+K. You'll see a field appear for the URL. Paste your link right there. Once pasted, the text appears as a linked one, and you should notice visual feedback like an underline or style change that confirms it's active. With the link ready, drag the text onto the image so they sit in the same spot. You want the clickable text layer to overlap the image. Then, right-click the text box and send it to back. This puts the linked text behind the image in the layer stack, keeping your design tidy while preserving the link. Select both the text and the image together and group them. Grouping locks their relationship so they move as one and makes it easier to treat the whole thing as a single clickable element. If you need to reposition later, you won't accidentally separate the link from the image. Now click the image to go to the desired address. In most cases, links like this will open when you interact with the grouped element during preview, or when viewing the design where links are active. If you ever need to update the URL, just enter the group. Select the text layer and change the link using the same shortcut. That's it. Thanks for watching.